Today on Current Dad Adventures, we're setting up an incredible ant colony sent to us so kindly from Caesar at AntsHQ. They're an ant company based in London. They're near the London Bridge, and they sell ants, ant farms, all the equipment, everything you need to start an ant colony at home. They provide education. They teach people all about ants and how much of amazing insects they are. They've really kindly sent us a home starter kit with an ant colony for us to do an unboxing and review on. So we're so excited to do that for you now. Let's crack on. Should we get into it? Yeah.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I think, why did he like put random pictures on it? That's weird.
I know, the box is pretty cool, isn't it? I like the label.
Yeah, I like the little turtle. What animal do you like that's on there, Daddy?
My favourite one is the turtle as well. So it says there's ants in the box. I like the packaging straight out. Just little details are really important, aren't they? Like,
I know why.
they've got their branding on the box, which I think is pretty cool.
Yeah, except for the ant too.
I know, sick.
It's pretty cool. Cover your
Let's get it
hand.
open.
Cut straight open. You think that actually is that ant colony in there, Daddy?
Definitely.
Pro. Oh, it's also for a little... Wait, there's a box in the box.
Box in a box? Let's have a look, see what's inside. Okay, so what have you got? Be careful, you don't drop anything, bro.
What is that?
I think they are
The ants?
the ants. So we'll leave them, put them to a side for a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
See what else in the box.
What is this nuts in there?
Cool. Nice poster. That's cool. They're like foam whatsits to stop everything from bouncing around.
Yeah, wait,
Nice poster, loads of information. We'll put all the information about AntsHQ. We'll plaster it all over the video and in the description.
Maybe can I ask you?
Oh, awesome. So, hang on, bro. So the ant keeping nest. Cool little box.
What's that? Is that a nest? It's a pretty cool nest, isn't it?
Yeah. This looks like
Oh,
high-tech stuff, doesn't it?
yeah. Yeah, too. Isn't that?
Okay, so this is the nesting box.
Yeah. Cool.
And it looks really straightforward
Yeah.
to put together, but more importantly, this looks really robust.
Yeah.
This feels like heavy duty, like
Can
it's not going to break. Do you know what I mean?
Even though I'm gonna try like do this with cardboard, that's
It literally just does not.
It's like made of metal.
It feels like bulletproof. Like, I love the screws. I like the fact that it's like really tight and robust.
Daddy.
This looks cool. So you can look through. So the ants think it's nighttime, but when you look through the red, you can still see them. That's pretty cool.
Wait, let me see.
But we'll put it together in a sec. Let's get the rest of the stuff out of the box.
Okay. Oh, what's that? What is like a big... Daddy, that's that food.
Well, I think this
Should we open it?
is the outworld section. So like the actual section of
Daddy,
the...
look, it's that food.
That's the... Yeah, it is. So there's jelly in there for food. Good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is important. Guess what this is?
I don't know.
So this is pretty cool. So you put this around the top of the enclosure
Yeah.
and it stops them getting out.
Wow.
Yeah, so they don't crawl over it,
Yeah.
which is really helpful
It's like, what is it?
for letting mummy let us keep them.
We're going to keep them as pets now. We're keeping them.
Some milk, some more nectar, some their food.
Yeah, more
Awesome.
food. Except for the jelly, I think that's the same flavour.
Yeah.
Daddy, what's this?
Anything else in the box?
Yeah.
Just loads more whatsits.
What's it?
We have never kept ants before. I mean, I have kept everything under the sun that you can imagine in terms of like exotic pets. We've had iguanas, every type of snake you can imagine.
What?
We used to breed bearded dragons. We've had marine fish. We've had everything that you can probably imagine apart from ants. So,
Daddy, what?
if we can set this up and put it together, then anybody can.
Right, so we get to build it.
Yeah, well, we'll have a look how to do it.
And can I have a look at the jellies because, like, I need flavour tags.
So it gives you instructions on how to do it. So this is the outworld section.
Oh, Daddy, look.
So this is like their house.
Yeah, so we build the house.
And we'll build it and we'll put it together.
Then I think this is their door.
No.
I'm joking.
Well, instructions look pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
We've got an Allen key, we've got a screw. So let's put it together. See how long it takes.
Yeah. But can I have a look at the jelly for me if there's any flavour tags or something?
Yeah.
Maybe just have to guess the flavour. Maybe. Oh, I know what flavour this is. It's banana flavour.
So I really like how it's got the branding etched into the nesting area itself. I mean, I don't want to sound like Jack Reacher here, but details really matter. And that is really cool. I think that's such a good touch. Let's unwrap the ants.
Unwrap
They're wrapped really well.
That means we're going to get bitten by those your ants. Hope not. What?
Okay, so these are the European red ant.
What?
So we can see the colony in here,
Let me see.
which is awesome. Pick up on the camera.
Can
Hang on.
I see?
So we're well excited to get these in the house, huh? Carol, what do you reckon to the ants?
Cool.
Cool? What can you see?
Eggs.
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 So what I think we'll do, before Carol lets all the ants run all over the kitchen, because he's well excited to get them out of the tub,
I'll keep them all down.
is we'll put together the outworld, connect it to the nest.
Outside house.
No, an outworld. Connect it up to the nest, and then we'll come back and then we'll put the ants in together. We'll let you know how that goes. Putting this outworld together could not have been more straightforward. Easy to read instructions, step by step. The acrylic is so well made, it fits in place like a glove. You finger tighten the screws. Once everything's in place, use the Allen key that comes with it, tighten everything up, and it is as simple as that. So with the nesting box, again, so straightforward. This is actually pre-built and pre-made. All I'm doing here is undoing the bolts just to get the acrylic off so we can take the protective film off. So then obviously you can just see through it. Really straightforward again. Really nice and easy to loosen the nuts. Stick the acrylic back on, tighten it back up again. Easy. Me and Cara are now taking turns applying the anti-escape gel. We chose to use cotton earbuds just because it was really easy to get the gel onto them and really easy to get on the underside of the acrylic with it, just to make sure we didn't miss any areas and any ants escaped. Anyone that's hesitant of keeping ants for that reason, this stuff is brilliant. It comes in the box straight from AntsHQ. It works unbelievably well. It's unbelievably easy to apply, easy to get on in and around the outworld section, and an absolute must. So that's really, really good that that comes with it. Koa's just finishing up the last little coat of the anti-escape gel, and then we can crack on and get the ants in. Okay, should we put them in?
Yeah.
Okay, so Caesar messaged me and said that the test tube that the ants are in, the hole is too big for this adapter that comes with this. So to put them in the top, and we've just laced the top with the anti-escape stuff, so fingers crossed that works.
Daddy.
Ready, Koa?
Yeah. Oh, Daddy.
Okay,
What's that?
let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So he said just angle it in
Yeah.
and they'll all go in. We'll attach the nest,
Yeah.
which looks absolutely awesome.
Oh, Daddy, there's access.
Yes, there's one in there already. Right, Koa, you're on the lookout. Make sure none escape, okay?
Okay.
Cool.
Well, Daddy, they're great climbers, aren't they?
Well,
I
they're
don't know
amazing
it.
climbers.
Yeah.
Do you know how strong they are?
What?
How strong, go on?
Actually,
Ants can lift how much?
1,000 each.
1,000 leagues?
Yeah.
I don't believe you. I mean, these look so cool already, don't they?
What good climbers.
I know, but luckily we've got the anti-escape stuff all around the rim, okay?
Okay, except for on the button.
Oh, a couple more. We've got 2 more in there. Just making their way out. And then we are
Done.
done.
Put the lid on. 3.
Oh, hang on. One more.
Gone. Put the lid on.
No, wait. Okay, they're all in.
Right.
Nice, right.
Put the lid on.
Okay, so they're just all now starting to settle in a bit more. They're coming through into the nest. Alcoa thinks they're going to run out, but they're not. It's fine. They look awesome. So just a few first impressions now that we've had it set up about an hour since putting the ants in. None have escaped, which is always good. So the build of the outworld and the nest I've obviously done right, so that's always good. I'm so impressed with how robust both elements are and how well they fit together. And that's just credit to the manufacturers of whoever's made it, and AntsHQ, how they've designed it is absolutely perfect. The acrylic elements to this make it look really kind of high end. I love the red acrylic option over the nesting area. I think that just adds such a nice little touch. Koa's a massive fan of that as well. Not only the humidity reading and the temperature gauge as well within it, I think that's such a nice touch. Again, just gives that high-end feel to the whole structure of how it's integrated already into the system, which is really, really nice. I think the connections, you know, when you get something and you put it together and it doesn't quite fit right. This isn't like that at all. It fits plush. It goes in first time. I like the fact that there's connecting screws between each connector as well, especially with our situation. We've got young children, obviously YouTube channel with my boy Koa, who's 4. We do not want these getting out and biting him through the night. This is going to be in his bedroom. And I'm not worried about that whatsoever. I think it's absolutely bomb-proof. I really do. I think the AntsHQ etching design within the nest system itself is just such a lovely touch. One thing I did notice though is it hasn't got any substrate with it. So I'm going to go and grab some tomorrow just to add to the outworld, just to give it more of an aesthetically pleasing look. Maybe get some gravel chips or just a tiny branch or something just for the ants to climb on. We've added some nectar in. They have been absolutely loving that. They're now basically all back into the nesting area, so they seem happy and settled. I think even the soldier ants so far, they've even started making like a little garbage pile down in the corner just through here, in which the dead ants so far, that been watching them, it's been fascinating to watch. They've just been carrying them into this corner, which Koa was absolutely loving watching that. So yeah, we'll stick some substrate in there. I'll give you a little bit more of an update tomorrow when I've done that. But honestly, first impressions, I could not be more impressed with how easy we've now got a home set up in less than an hour and a full colony of ants. I think it's amazing. I really do. I think this looks so good now. The ants in for 24 hours, they seem to be just accumulating over the nesting area. There's so many eggs in there, in and around this area here, which is really, really cool. So we're looking forward to them hatching and the colony really establishing and growing. The outworld area now, I think, looks absolutely unreal. I think just that little bit of substrate and the decorative rock, again, just for aesthetics, just add that
kind of finishing feel to it now, so it can kind of go up in Koa's room, and it looks like a terrarium. You know, it looks great, it looks in place. I could not be happier with it now. I think it looks amazing. Just to close out the video, thank you so much again for watching. Hopefully you've been able to find something informative and take something away from this that's going to help you in your decision to keep ants in the future. A massive thank you to Caesar over at AntsHQ. They are the go-to destination for anything ants related. They do over 150 different species from all over the world of ants through their website, from starter kits to intricate nesting systems that look like something from another planet. It is absolutely amazing. Every bit of information is in the description with links to their website and their social media. So we will 100% be getting ants in the future from them now that we've done a little bit of research since this video, and we're now stuck in the rabbit hole of wanting to keep more and more ants. And we've got our eyes on the South American bullet ants, the famous bullet ant that they also have on their website. So once again, thank you so much, Caesar, and we'll be in touch soon.